Hey everybody, Caveman here. Welcome back to another adventure out of the cave. Today we're going to start the video off a little differently. I'm going to do my little caveman nugget of wisdom right at the start here while it's fresh on my mind because I was thinking about it on the way up. So for the caveman nugget of wisdom today, I heard a quote earlier that said, "It's not winning or losing, it's winning or learning." And the way I take that is that you never lose, you never fail. It's only a chance to learn and grow and better yourself, no matter what it is in life that you're doing or whatever. Don't call yourself a loser. Don't call yourself a failure. The rest of the world's already harsh enough as it is. You don't need to be harsh on yourself. So don't take every loss or failure as a bad thing. Take it as a learning experience, something you can grow from and better yourself. So that's my little caveman nugget of wisdom for today. Let's go along on the adventure now. Today we're back up Battle Creek. Let me get back over here so you guys can actually see me. Back up Battle Creek. We are back at the spot where it was like 4 videos ago, I think. I was trying to find that waterfall, ended up going up the wrong side of the river. Still went on an awesome adventure, but now we're back at that spot and I'm going up the right side, I believe, this time, hopefully. So that's the plan. We're gonna go find that, and then if I've got time, because if I'm not mistaken, it's not too far from where I'm at. Now, I've said that before in previous videos and I was wrong. So we'll see how it goes today, but we're gonna go do that, and then if we got time, I'm gonna head back down the trail a little bit, and there's another trail that I want to go and explore and look at. I've had my eye on it a couple of times, so we're gonna go do that today if we got time. But anywhoosies, let's get along on the adventure. So last time we went along this trail right here and then up that way. So this time we're gonna go up this river and hopefully find what we're looking for. I love walking through ravines like this. There's just something about them. It kind of makes me feel like I'm back in time. Man, I knew I was going to be doing some bushwhacking today, but I was not expecting it to be like this. Okay. Alright, this is a lot more intense than I was expecting, but that just makes it more fun. Alright, I'm going to put you guys down for a minute while I climb my way through this stuff real fast, and then pick you guys back up when I get up a little bit further when it's not so bad like this. So see you in just a minute. Alright guys, quick update. We're a little bit further up now. I actually had to climb out of the canyon and get back up on the main trail to come up a little further because it just got to the point where I couldn't climb through it anymore. So now we're back down in here. I saw this little opening in the valley and I thought, oh, this will be nice. I can get through right here. And then I came down and now I gotta climb through some more stuff. But that's okay. That's part of the adventure and the fun. So let's see. I'm gonna go up this way. I will admit, it's been really pretty up through here. One thing I will note, now that it's warming up, something that I'm noticing, there's a lot more spiders through the trees and the bush now, and spider webs, that there wasn't when it was cooler. So, that's fun. up and around this tree. That was a hole. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I'm further away from that waterfall than I thought. If this is even the trail to get to it. Because I still don't know if this is the right one. So, figure it out, yes. Keep trekking along. Trekking along. Whew. It's warm today. Even though it's cooler today than it was earlier this week, it's still warm. I had cloud cover earlier. Yeah, not really anymore. It's kind of gone. Whew. Pretty view out over the valley, kind of, between the canyons there. A lot of butterflies flying around. Super pretty. A lot of butterflies flying around. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down while I trek through this some more and get a drink because I'm thirsty. So, pick you guys back up if I find something interesting, or once we get a little further. See you guys soon. Alright guys. Just came up through that little gully here, and this is where I'm at now. Big open meadow. Oh, I know exactly where I'm at. The main trail is right there. Wow. I could have made this a lot easier on myself. If I'd have done that. But then, check it out. Hold on, where's it at? Found a feather of some kind. I don't know if you guys could see it or not. I can't look at the camera. I don't know what kind of a feather it is. It was tucked up on the hill, just pinned into the dirt. It was pretty cool. So I snatched it up, stuck it in my hair. So yeah, now I'm just kind of wandering around in here looking, seeing what there is to see. See if there's anything tucked up inside of here. Looks like just a bunch of knocked down trees. Now I can't get too distracted because I'm still trying to find the waterfall. I'm pretty sure it's just up over this way. But yeah. I'm walking through that. I'm definitely not sneaking up on anybody. Not clomping trouncing through the woods like that. Not that I'm trying to sneak up on anybody right now anyway, but A lot of super peaceful areas up in here. I think we're almost to it, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you down for a sec, catch my breath, and then continue on up. So I think where we're trying to get is just right up around the corner up here. So, see you guys soon. Alright guys, welcome back. So, I think I found it. I miscalculated a lot. It was not as close as I thought it was going to be. And it's not running as good as it was when there was snow, but we do have this cool one shooting out of the pipe up there. But yeah, so this is what I was originally trying to find in that first video. Yeah, this had a lot more water running down it when there was more snow. But it's pretty nifty. A good view out up over the valley a little bit there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll just end up climbing up this and getting up on top of there. I'll go feel that water coming out of that pipe. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down over here while I climb over there and feel the water. So let's get this set up. Put my bag down on it so it don't tip over. Alright, I'll see you guys in just a second. So there's another part of the pipe right there where it just broke off. Be goofy and have fun in life. I mean, if other people think you're weird, who cares? Be weird. It's way more fun. Alright, I think I'm going to put you guys down for a little bit. I'm going to sit on the sledge here and take a smoke break and enjoy this awesome view. Probably eat a snack, have some more water, and decide if I'm going to head down and go up that other trail or if we're just going to head back down. So, we'll see what the plan is once I figure it out. Man, I wish I could drink that. That was so cold. Oh, that would taste so good. If I wasn't worried about getting like giardia or something like that. Which, if you don't know what giardia is, it's a bacteria, I believe. And it gives you the runs. It's no fun. So that's why you can't just drink straight, or not you can't, you shouldn't drink straight from like rivers and creeks and stuff like that. Because it comes from the animals upstream peeing in it and pooping in it and dying in it, and then it just carries the bacteria down through. So, fun little fact there for you. If you're going to drink creek or river water or lake water or anything like that, boil it over a fire. Yeah, boil it over a fire. Hold on, let me get up here where it's not full up. Boil it over a fire, you know, rolling boil. Keep it going for a couple minutes, then let it cool, and then you can drink it. Then it's safe, because the boil will kill the bacteria in the water. So, just remember that little tidbit. That's why it's handy to get those like filtration straws, or I think it's alkaline tablets. Fill up the bottle and then you drop an alkaline tablet. I could be wrong on that. Don't quote me on that. And that'll purify the water. So, I'm definitely getting some filter straws at some point soon, hopefully. And then I'll be able to drink this cold mountain water. Oh, I'm so excited for that. But, anywhoosies, put you guys down for a little bit, take a break, and talk to you soon. Bye. All right, guys, we're back. So, came back down the trail. Took that trail that I was talking about, wanting to kind of go and explore. And this is where it brought me to. This little grove of trees up here. That deer came flying down there. Huh. Well, hopefully it wasn't running from anything. I was hoping that this trail would have been the one that me and my buddy took to go camping, but I don't think it is, because I don't remember any of this stuff. You know what, I bet you if I kept following this trail, it would connect me up to the trail that leads to the Giant's bathtub. So, we're not going to go up any further right now. Bushwhacking up that creek to get to that water area took a lot out of me. So, I'm gonna probably start heading back down. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a little bit while I head back down, and then I'll pick you back up when I get down to Kiwanis, most likely. So stop right there and we'll see you guys in just a little bit. Bye. Alright guys, we're back. We're not down at Kiwanis yet. I did a little side quest. And look what I found. A little hangout spot. Freaking awesome. So yeah, decided to take a little side quest, and this is where I ended up. So, woo, there's my feather. But yeah, it's a cool little spot. Just thought I'd show you guys. So, anyways, see you guys soon. Alright guys, made it down to Kiwanis. So that'll be the end of today's adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed it, had fun. I know I did. Ooh, even though it was kind of hard in spots, it was still well worth it. 100%. So, anywhoosies, thanks for watching my videos. Oops. Thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you guys will take time out of your day to watch my videos. So, once again, thank you. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you're at. I hope you have a good one. Bye, until next time.